For day number 924. 924 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, September the 4th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars. We have a 4 stars Sudoku and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these regular puzzles. Yes, these regular puzzles. First one is a 3 star Sudoku number 9207. 9207. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, no need to place level. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 8, 8. 1, 1. 7, 7. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1, okay. Then 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 2, 2. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. Then let me see. 2, 2, 3, 3. The 8 here. Yeah. 5. I'm thinking. 4. In the 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Mark those two boxes elevated 4. We have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then, well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the middle row, in the second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6, okay. Two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 2, need an 8. 2, 5, and then 2, 5, and a 3. Two numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. Oh. Here also 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. Alright, the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So, we already have 8 here. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So 1 digit left for the 9 in this column should be here. So the other digit in this column is the number 1, 2, 3 is missing here. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means 1 digit left in the last column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 9, 5, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1. 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Oh, 5 and a 9. Correction, 5 and a 9. Interesting. 5 and a 9, okay. Here also 5 and a 9. 5, 9 and a 2, need a 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the, well, we have 5 and 8. We already have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in, no, 2, 5, and a 9. We have a 9 now, so this should be the 5. 2 numbers left, 5 and a 9. How about here? 1 box left. This cannot be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. So no. We have a 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. This box 5 or 9 should be a 5 then. 5 or 9, we have a 5 here. So this box should be a 3. No. Should be a 9. 5 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box will be a 5. 1 box left, the 2 is missing. Finished. 50 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not faster. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.